Hello, in this video, we will look at insertion and deletion and other functions for a vector. We already used the pushback function to insert an element at the end of a vector. That's just like a append. To insert anywhere in a vector, you can use this insert function with the specified location represented using a pointer. You can obtain the pointer to the first element using v.begin, and then use +i to move the pointer to the ith element in the vector. You can use v.end to return the pointer that passed the last element in the vector. So the pointer that points to the last element in the vector is actually v.end -1. You can use the pop back function to remove the last element in a vector. To remove an element anywhere in the vector, you need to use the erase p function. P is the pointer to the element in the vector. You can also use the min element, max element, sort, random shuffle, and find for vectors. We already used all these functions for arrays, and they're also useful for vectors. Let's put everything into this test program here. We're going to have this main. Here is the vector. We're going to push some values into the vector. Now we're going to insert 20 at index 1. So you're going to have to write v.insert. Now here is the location. You're going to add 20 into this location. What is this location? It's v.begin +1. So at index 1. Remove the second last element. So I'm going to remove v.erase. This is the location. v.end is the last element. Second last is this. This is the v.end is past the last element. So this is the last element. -1 is the last element. -2 is the second last element. And this is the sort. v.begin, v.end, that's everything in the vector is sorted. Random shuffle, v.begin, v.end, that's everything in the vector is reshuffled. Max element, find the max element in the entire vector, v.begin and v.end. So this is the pointer. Here we get the value now, the max value. And this is the get the max value here, min underscore element, and the entire vector, we get the min. This is the pointer, return the pointer, so we get the value pointed by the pointer. Here is the using this dereference operator. So here is, let's do a find. Find from the beginning to the end using this key. Key is 45. Now, if this is equal to the end, v.end, it means you did all the search that passed the last one. So if that's the case and the key is not in the vector, else key is in the vector. That is all for this section on insertion and deletion and other functions for a vector. See you on the next video.